At Siemens, we believe that additive manufacturing allows companies to reimagine their products, reinvent their manufacturing, and even rethink how they do business. In the machinery industry, we often see cases where companies are called upon to support aging equipment that is still being used in the field. In these cases, the original part may have been designed using an older technology, possibly even pen and paper, rather than a modern CAD system. In cases like this, companies are sometimes forced to use legacy data or 3D scans of existing parts in order to design an updated replacement. This legacy data or scan data is often represented as facet bodies rather than true CAD data. With Siemens NX, you can use facet data and native CAD data together seamlessly, as we see in the example here. The blue duct is a facet body that contains no associated part history or feature metadata. However, this does not stop us from modifying the part and creating an updated replacement, because Siemens NX allows us to interact the CAD data with the facet data using Convergent Modeling technology. The new part can then be analyzed for proper airflow, thermal conduction, and strength characteristics before it is manufactured. Since legacy replacement parts are often required in very low quantities and with very small lead times, it can make sense to additively manufacture these parts. The entire additive manufacturing process, from design to print, can be captured in Siemens NX. Some additive manufacturing technologies benefit from 3D nesting of parts in the build volume. NX includes integrated facilities for optimizing the build volume of a given printer through 3D nesting. Once the parts have been placed into the build tray, integrated support structure design functions and direct connections to printer hardware complete the process. At Siemens, we are working to industrialize additive manufacturing so that all of those in the machinery industry can keep their machines running and producing products for all of us far into the future.